Welcome back, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we'll be showing you how to install some number plates floating on the rear of this G90 M5. If you haven't already checked out our OEM plinth delete kit for the front of this car, go and check that out. We'll leave the link in the description below. Now, going on to the back. Plastic brackets like this, if you can avoid them, please do. They do get the number plate on the car, don't get me wrong. There's just a lot of things that we don't like about them. Number one, they are always subjected to theft because it's made out of plastic, and this section here where you bolt it into the car is a very thin piece of plastic. So thieves love to see this. Not only is the plastic brackets bigger than your number plate, when they see them, they can just rip it off without using a screwdriver. Just 2 seconds and they're gone. So what happens is this part flexes and just comes off like this. You don't need a screwdriver. So, not good. Upgrade to an aluminium bracket that will fit into those holes without modification, and I'll show you how to get that done. The other thing that I don't like about these brackets is it's always hard up against the paint. This probably hasn't been here long enough, but over time it will scuff up this paint and leave markings. And if you ever were to change to a smaller size number plate, it'll be very hard to polish those scratches out. We've got a few videos on damages and how that's been done. Our kit always comes with screws and hardware and spacers. Make sure that you use this spacer behind the bracket. It goes there. It steps it off the paint to protect the paint and also give you that floating look. Just follow the markings in the bracket. There's one there and there. That's 232 millimeters apart. That BMW's been using that dimension for, I don't know, eternity, I guess. It just helps you center the bracket without getting out your measuring tape. And our final step will be to get our number plates onto the bracket. Before you check out, make sure that you check out our range of optional accessories. Like this customer has optioned security screw fittings. They're an anti-theft fitting that makes it that one step harder for thieves to steal your number plate. These are custom made by us. We get them milled out of stainless steel and then powder coated black, so they will never rust on you. And that's how you put floating number plates on the back of a BMW. It's super secure and floating, and best of all, the bracket that we make and manufacture here in Australia in Bayswater is actually smaller than the number plate, which gives you that floating effect, unlike some of these brackets where they are bigger than the number plate. I hope you found this video useful, guys, and thanks for watching.